let us talk about the story of a young woman from Brazil. This is the story of Jamily, entitled Stranger on a Boat. Jamily became worried when a stranger arrived outside their house and called out, "Hello!" It was unusual for visitors to come to the remote village along the Amazon River in Brazil. While her parents were away, the stranger introduced himself as Pastor Cassie from the Seventh-day Adventist Church. He asked Jamily, "How is your relationship with your parents?" She replied, "Not good." As their conversation continued, Jamily's fear disappeared and she began to cry. Pastor Cassie invited her to attend the meetings held in a floating church, a boat church that brought good news and teachings about family, health, and the Bible. Jamily started praying for her parents and faithfully attended the meeting every evening. After a month, she was baptized in the waters of the Amazon River, one of the happiest moments of her life. Life in the village began to change. They built a new church where worship and Bible studies continued. Although her relationship with her parents was not immediately restored, Jamily kept praying until one day her father came to the church. Now, a year after her baptism, Jamily is preparing to become a mission volunteer with 1 year in mission so she can share the good news with others. She says, "Never give up on your dream to serve God." The floating church continues to bring hope to the people along the Amazon River, a project established through the 2016 13th Sabbath offering. Thanks to your prayers and support, many souls have been brought to Christ Jesus.